everyone. Uh, in previous video, we cleaned a messy dataset. Now let's turn that data into visualization so we can actually understand it. So let's call that data. So data. Uh, this is our cleaned datasets. Now instead of just looking at numbers, we'll use graphs to understand the patterns. Data visualizations means converting data into group graphs. So we can usually see the patterns, trends, and the relationships between the age, marks, and the gender and the name. Data visualization means converting into the data into the graphs. Now let's see table of data and dollar symbol. Let's see gender. The table function counts how many males and the females we have in the data set. Next, bar plot. Bar plot table table of data of gender. The bar plot converts those counts into a graph. Next, bar plot table data of gender. Now let's see, we'll add a title, labels, and the colors to the graph. We can visualize more clearly, like title main equals to gender distribution. X-axis is gender. Next, y-axis means ylab equals to marks. Now color equals to light green. Now let's see the graph. Here we got the colors and the x-axis and y-axis. Next, plot. Now only plot means scatter plot. Plot data of age. Now we create a scatter plot. This helps us to understand the relationship between two variables. Next, data of marks. Relationship between two variables, that is marks and the age. Here we are checking if age affects the marks. So next, main means title, age versus marks. Next, x-axis means x lab is age. Next, y-axis means y lab. Y-axis means y lab. Y lab is the marks. Next, color equals to red. Now let's see the graph. This is scatter plot. Each dot represents one student. We added color and changed the point style for better visualizability. For these graphs, we can understand the data better. For example, we can see how marks and distributed. Next, histogram. Histogram of data. Now we can create histogram. This is used for numerical data like marks. It shows how values are distributed, whether most students have high marks or low marks. Next, let's see the x title, x-axis, color, histogram. The main is equals to title, so we are giving a title. We are giving a title, marks distribution. Next, x-axis, that is x lab equals to marks, and next color equals to light gray. Now let's see the histogram. We added labels, color, and changed the number of bars using. We can change the number of bars using the breaks. Breaks equals to 5. So we change the number of bars using the breaks. From these graphs, we can understand the data better. For example, we can see how marks are distributed and whether there is relationship between the age and the marks. Now you have to visualize the data in the R programming. Thank you.